WWG83 in Edwardsport. Here is a winter weather statement. For the following county, Du Bois, Indiana. Winter storm warning in effect from 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or midnight Central Standard Time Saturday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. Heavy snow mixed with sleet and freezing rain along and south of the Bluegrass and Western Kentucky Parkways. South of the Parkways, storm total snow and sleet 4 to 10 inches with up to 1/3 of an inch of ice accumulation. North of the Parkways mainly snow, heavy at times. Total snow accumulations between 10 and 14 inches. Localized higher amounts possible. The areas affected include portions of south-central Indiana and east-central, north-central, northwest, and south-central Kentucky. The hazardous conditions are expected from 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or midnight Central Standard Time Saturday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. In Indiana, for Indiana road conditions, please visit http://511in.org. In Kentucky, for Kentucky road conditions, please visit http://goki.kentucky.gov. Here is a winter weather statement.